This is how to check Canada's national debt.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Create content effortlessly. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Basically, there's going to be a couple different websites here. I'll leave all links in the description. The first one is Canada's national government debt, or we're using sisicdata.com. Basically, this is an extensive website, but you're going to get all of the information from 1962 to 2024. And again, we have different charts. Max 10 years, so you can see the different debt from 2014 to 2024. And this is a much extensive website. As you can see, if we scroll down, we have lists of imports to USD, exports to USD, and we even have important information, I guess, such as net international investment, and they have positions that they are investing in. The next website is the debt.ca, or basically it's Canada's website, you can say. You can see Canada's federal debt right here is 1.235 trillion dollars, and it says how much debt per hour and so forth. The next, or the third website, is macrotrends.net. Again, shows debt from 1960 to 2024. You have some useful information right here on the screen from different years, from 2021 since back to 2018 and so forth. My favorite website though, because it's called the usdebtclock.org. Basically, if we scroll down, we have Canada. It'll show your national debt. It'll even show the public debt to GDP ratio, external debts, and it even shows the population if you're curious about different countries. Again, I'll leave all links down in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next.